Good morning, friends. My name is Puneet, and I'm a machine learning practitioner. And today, this is my first attempt to create a simple video on the concepts that I have learned in last decade of my experience in solving various IT and data science related use cases and including my recent uh, last 2 years of experience while building Labellerr and end-to-end data annotation solutions for deep learning use cases. Okay, in today's video, I would be focusing on uh, showing concepts on how a colored image is built from red, green, and blue channel, and how you can look at those channels and its pixels in detail. Uh, and this I'm demonstrating with the help of OpenCV library, which is a computer vision library, and NumPy, which is a numerical computing Python library. Okay, and this I'm showcasing is in Python. Okay, so let's start. Um, so we will first start with the pip installation within a Jupyter Notebook. As you can see, this is a screen of a Jupyter Notebook, and also as you can see, the installation is already done on my system, and that's why it is showing requirement already satisfied. But in your use case, as long as you have Python, this command will help you install these packages. Okay, and the second step would be to import these libraries. This is a more standard way of importing it, and you can find it over the internet as well, and majority of the tutorials like this. So for the purpose of this demo today, I have taken a very cute image of a child which is crying, and as you can see this, so this is the image of the child. And now computer vision OpenCV library provide this read function to read images. So I do have this a JPEG image. So let's read this, and if I want to get into the detail of how it looks like, so this is a typical mathematical representation of different pixel values in different channels. Okay, and what we do is we copy this image and then mark each of keep the one of the channels which is red on the red, which is on the third dimension, and put everything other channels 0 and 1 as all the pixels as 0, so will be left with the red color. And similarly we do it for green and blue respectively, and we mark other pixel values as 0 respectively, and we create 3 copies basically in each case. And let's see, and now let's plot these images. So red contains only pixel values with red channel, green G contains with pixel values with green color, and B contains the image with pixel values only in blue channel, which is the 0th channel. Okay, and let's plot these one by one. Okay, and if you can see, this is our first colored image. And then if you see this, I'm plotting the R here, and this is red color, and then I'm plotting the green color, and then eventually I'm plotting the blue color, right? So this is all I wanted to demonstrate. Thanks for watching, and so I hope you liked this video, and I would require that if you can also share your use cases on how this concept could be useful in industrial use cases, please do leave your comments in this video. Thanks. Bye bye. Have a good day.